Hello and welcome back. We are going to work on solving a puzzle today. We got a nice little cast metal puzzle from Hanayama here, the padlock. So we're going to go ahead and try to tackle this. The goal for here, take it apart and put it back together. So I believe it's something like a level 5 or level 6 on their rating scale, which should make it something like a level 8 or 9 on the typical 10-point scale. So it should be expected it to be pretty tough. But hopefully doable nonetheless. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into solving the cast padlock. Alright, here we go. So let's see here. I kind of try to get the camera set up close because it is obviously a pretty small puzzle here. So, let's see. What we have here. Looks like everything spins. Okay, let's see if we get that. We got some tracks here. So there's four parts, it looks like. Let's see here. How does everything come apart? So everything's together. I got some wiggle room this way on these pieces. So let's see. Looks like, okay, so this piece right here, this half goes, that's one piece, goes all the way through, it goes through both of these two middle pieces, and then this is the same thing here. So there's going to be some, I'm guessing some symmetric aspect to this. Spin it here. Does that loosen anything up? I guess there's a reason that this is split this way. Oh, whoa. Here we go. Okay, what was that? What was that? What was that? So these were here. And then what? How did that work? Shoot. Now it feels like it's stuck. I was just talking about getting this lined up, and then it just started, like, it's like it moved itself. Let's see here. There it goes. Okay. Sweet. Now what? Oh, okay, so I don't think I want to do that. I'm pretty sure this is where we came from, right? So let's go this way, maybe. And then go this way. And, oh, these go to get. Wait a minute. So that can go in that way, or we could go back and rotate this way, and then we can get them back too. Okay, so which way do we want? So I think we started here. I don't know that I think maybe I'll try putting it back on the other way and then seeing what happens. So let me get this split again. Where is it? Right there. So now let me rotate. And then, okay, so now what do we have here? Is this actually any different at all? Is this any different at all than where we started? So I've got my padlock. This piece comes out. I have an opening on the left side. Let's see, is there a way? So This ring's on the outside. There's I guess it's always going to kind of be like that. But when I try to set it upright, the opening is right here. So maybe this actually hasn't made much progress. So then I can rotate, put these back together here, and let me move this around. So this is different because now the opening for the padlock symbol it's not there. And it's not on that one either. So this is definitely a different stage. Okay, so we're making some progress here. I think we're making some progress on this. Okay, I just adjusted the camera angle here a little bit. Try to give us a little bit more space to work on this. So let's see, we need to get this sliding again. Here we go. No, this is new. Whoa, 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 what? 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 I'm not even joking. I literally just was like fiddling with this for hours off camera, made zero progress, got to where I was, and I was like, well, let me set the camera up again. I took some time off and decided I'd get back at it and I'd be more motivated to continue at it with the camera. And I literally set the camera up and solved it in what, 40 seconds? What? Well, here we go. Here's our two pieces. Oh, these are different. Hold on. This has 2 notches. This has 1 notch. Interesting. Interesting. That must make it so there's only one way to go in and out, as opposed to there being 2 ways, because I believe that they are all the same size, right? Yeah. Yeah, everything else here is the same size, so interesting. Well, can we undo what we just did and put it back? I have no idea. So, how did we do this? So, I'm guessing we need to do... Boom. There we go, and I believe this is where we started. Just like that. Boom. And we got it. Alright, we got it. It took longer than expected. I was really kind of confused at the randomness of what happened there, and so I spent some time off camera, took it apart, put it back together, got it to the original state on the what looks like the packaging is like this. But what I want to point out is there's some more nuance to this than I think is that I didn't notice. So we got to this state quite frequently. And so this is part of an important move. But one thing that I noticed practicing this that I didn't notice before is how you are pushing these depends on how these things slide together. So if I am pushing this one down, I can go in this way. Notice how the top piece moves with it there, like so. Okay, but if I switch the way I'm holding it, now the bottom piece is sliding with it, right? See, now the bottom piece is sliding with it. Pretty cheap, pretty small, little gadget. I think it'd be cooler if this was bigger than this. I think it'd be twice the size. It'd be cool, and I don't know that would really ruin the integrity of the puzzle of being able to look at it and figure out the solution. But give me a challenge and run for my money. With that, we'll put it in the books, and we'll see you in future videos for hopefully more puzzle. Peace.